Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. It's the first part of another two-part series. I'm making herbed yogurt sauce, which can be used like tzatziki, but it's a little bit easier to make. It goes together in the food processor and it needs to be refrigerated overnight, so plan ahead. Let's see what we're gonna need. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.